Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today is 29th of July 2023, and I hope everyone is having a great weekend so far. So in this video, we are going to take a look at a stock called Alibaba. We had done a video on it quite recently, maybe about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and this is going to be a follow-up video because of the key pattern formation that we were looking at. So this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not a financial advice. So we'll start off with the daily chart of Alibaba. And if you recall, the old subscribers from the channel, we were looking at a key pattern formation as long as this 79.46 level was held, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. It's not a perfect retracement, but it's close enough. It's very rare that we get anything perfect, but it's close enough. And as long as this is held in terms of support, then what we are possibly looking at is this pattern formation highlighted in the ABCD, which is a 1-to-1 price projection, which could see the stock go high up to about $140 per share level, a little bit above though. And we also have a 1.618 expansion 1.618 expansion of this BC swing, which comes around $146 per share level, roughly speaking. So we'll have a two things coming close together, forming a confluence level. So anywhere between 140 to 146 dollars per share level is something that we are watching for the Alibaba stock as a possible first target for the price. Now, the other thing that we want to take a look at is if you look at this trend line drawn by joining this bottom, which is the ultimate bottom, and here the secondary bottom, right close to that 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. This is kind of a little pattern, which I would like to call. And what we have seen is that price touched it one time, then it declined, then it formed a double bottom. In my opinion, it is a double bottom because the price has now taken out these prior swings. And we have seen it and go and touch the second time, retrace, third time, retrace, and now we are clearing it for the fourth time. And it's possible that we in fact this time find a more momentum behind it and it begins to rise higher and go and challenge the $105 per share level, because it's very close to the swing here. And with the momentum getting positive, with the 20-day moving average, which is this blue line, that being above the gray line, which is 200-day moving average, and price being above both of them, that's a good sign from a momentum perspective. Now just moving on to this weekly chart. So here the pattern is a little bit more clear, something that we discussed in the previous videos. We were trying to show that this stock likes to form double bottoms. So if you look at these boxes here, a double bottom formation, and the stock had a very nice rise, pull back right into a double bottom formation as well, went into this trading range for quite a while, and then finally it broke out of it. And as normally happens, it's not going to happen straight away, but the stocks retraced back into a trading range. It found support, a near double bottom, near perfect double bottom, but it's a double bottom in my books, and up it went. Now what it seems to have done is it has seemed to have formed a, or in the process of forming, a very nice, really large double bottom by going and challenging these lows, going back as far as 2015. So 2015, this stock went through the IPO on the New York Stock Exchange back in September of 2014. It did the typical thing which happens in an IPO. Stock rises, then it takes out the IPO price and then forms the ultimate bottom, and then it has a good rally. So here, in my opinion, what is also going on is a very nice formation or a pattern. If some of you guys are followers of the Wyckoff accumulation, so in my opinion, we have a very nice Wyckoff spring taking place here, and the stock appears to be going through a fair amount of accumulation. And also these points are, quite difficult psychologically, and these are the points where one should actually be buying or accumulating, but one doesn't happen to be doing that because emotionally it could be quite difficult. But in my opinion, it seems to be going through an accumulation period. You can have a look at on Google the Wyckoff spring pattern formation, and you'll be able to see quite a few examples, and then compare back with this weekly chart of Alibaba. Finally, taking a look at the monthly chart. So this is just the really long-term monthly chart. So this is the month of July, which will end next week. We are very close to the end of the month, and this has been a good month for the Alibaba stock. It has taken out the highs of June, so that's good. And then of course, if we draw this trend line here, it has also broken that, and from a momentum perspective, looks like things are gonna be probably going to be good, and it could go and challenge the $126 per share level. And if it is able to take that out, in my opinion, we could say that the swing high taken out, and this could be labeled as a double bottom, in my opinion. So guys, this is what we are taking a look at for the Alibaba stock, and I hope you guys found this video of educational value. And if you did, then please do like the video. And if you find how we look at the stocks using the technical analysis, using Fibonacci ratios, pattern formation, pattern recognition, please do subscribe to the channel. And I wish you good luck and good trading, and speak to you guys soon. Bye.